plastic bottle in car. This one is a new criminal ploy people use to steal cars. So whether you're a driver or a future driver, you should learn this trick. Did you know that before you get into your car, you should always check that your wheels don't have any plastic bottles wedged inside them? The reason why is because of this scam. Thieves will find your car parked up in a parking lot. They'll then place an empty plastic bottle inside the wheel area of your car. It may be at the front or the rear, but it's always on the passenger side, so it's far away from you, the driver. Then when you start your car and begin to drive off, you'll hear a crunching sound, which is the plastic bottle. Of course you won't know that though, so you'll jump out of your car to see what's going on. You're being instinctive and are just popping out for a quick look. And that's the reason you don't turn off your car and take your key. But while you've jumped out of your car to see what's going on, a criminal has hopped in and taken your car. Or if they don't take the actual car, they'll take a valuable or two which is inside it. So if you see a plastic bottle in your car's wheel, then be sure to call the police and obviously take it out. This is a famous scam which has been going on for years in South Africa, but now it's coming to European countries and the United States too. The scam is also apparently very popular in India, and if you search Facebook, there are thousands of people complaining this has happened to them. But a good way to avoid this is parking in a secure or paid for parking lot.